Hi everyone, I'm here today with Northwest Decks, and today we're going to go over how to properly replace your deck boards if you need this done. If your deck is showing signs of wear, replacing damaged boards can quickly restore its look and functionality. Here are 9 steps you need to take when it's time to replace these boards. Assess the damage. Look for cracked, warped, or splintered boards, soft spots, or signs of mold. Check the joists underneath for any damage. Gather tools and materials. You'll need a drill, hammer, pry bar, and circular saw, safety gear, and replacement boards, as well as screws or nails for fastening. Remove the damaged boards. Use a pry bar or hammer to remove the old boards, being careful not to damage the surrounding structure. Inspect the deck frame. Check the joists for any issues like rot or mold. If the frame is in good condition, proceed to the next step. Cut the new boards, trim the new boards to size using a circular saw, following the manufacturer's instructions for materials like composite or PVC. Install the new boards. Secure the boards with screws or hidden fasteners for composite materials. Leave a small gap between each board for drainage. Trim the edges. Once installed, trim any overhanging boards for a clean finish. Clean and finish. Clean the deck and apply stain or sealant to wood boards. For composite or PVC, cleaning is usually enough. Inspect and maintain. Regularly inspect your deck, remove debris, and wash it to prevent mold and mildew. By following these steps, you'll give your deck a fresh new look and extend its lifespan. If you're not comfortable with the process, a professional can help you with the replacement. To learn more, visit us at www.northwestdecks.com. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.